Hey, how's everyone doing today? So today I just want to bring you some information that might affect some of you guys. It has to do with the tires here. A month ago in November, the NHTSA published a campaign about the Bridgestone tires. Now this one has Michelin. I know Acura put Michelin on some and then Bridgestones on others. So this only affects some Bridgestone tires. And it has to do with the Acura TLX. So I thought it was interesting. So what it states is the affected tires include the LE2 with dimensions 265, 65, 17. So I don't think that's on the Acura. A 235, 55, 20 Aleza Sport AS. And then the 235, 50, 18 Turanza EL440. That's the tire that is on a lot of Acura TLX models. And I guess what happens, what they found out, that a robotic arm that's used to unstack tires was out of position. And there was a sharp edge of that arm that was exposed to the inside of some tires that potentially damaged the bead area when it was unstacking the tires. So about the tires, Honda received the Turanzas for the 2022 Acura TLX. So if you have a 2022 model year Acura TLX, you want to see if you have the Turanza tire on it. And it's the, like I mentioned before, it's a 235 50 18. So it's going to be the base model, I believe, Acura TLX. It has to have that tire size on it. And then they said it was produced in the period between June 20th, 2021 and July 3rd, 2021. So a short time there. So it's not going to be a huge amount. But of course, if it's one that's affected on your car, you definitely want to get it fixed. And the other tire, there's two more models came from Wilson. And those were shipped to Toyota to be put on their Highlander and Tacoma. And so far, Toyota hasn't issued a recall for the Aleza tire and the LE2s. And then, meanwhile, though, Honda, they're recalling 19 of the 2022 model year Acura TLX produced on September 1st, 2022. And because of that, they say that Bridgestone returned 1,051 tires already that were meant to go to the TLX while they're investigating this issue. And so what they're going to do here, it states that dealers are already aware of the campaign. And here's the campaign number. And the 2022 Acura TLX owners will be notified by mail before January 30th, 2023. So if you have a 2022 Acura TLX, and you have the Bridgestone Turanza EL440 tire on it in the size 235 50 18s, be on the lookout in the mail for a recall sheet where they're going to replace the tires for you. So it's definitely good to know if you do have that model. Right now, it's fine to drive. They said it's such a small sample size if it's the ones that have shown damage. But Honda will take care of that and they will swap the tires out for you. So I guess if you have that tire, you can look at it. You're getting some free tires out of it as well in the meantime. So if you're affected, like I said, before January 30th, so I would say sometime in January, you'll start getting, it's a first class letter sent home from Honda stating that they're affected, the ones in your car, and it goes off your VIN. And then they'll tell you how to go about getting them replaced too. So it's good to know, especially if you're one of the affected ones. So just definitely stay tuned sometime in January. If you are affected, you'll get a letter, like I said. Hopefully that'll help you guys out. Let me know if you guys are running that tire size on your Acura. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's the base model. It said it was the base model, but I'm not sure if maybe the tech has that same tire size. I'm not sure. Maybe if you guys have that, please drop a comment section. I appreciate it. And I hope that helps you guys out. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.